So it's a Raspberry Pi. This one is Arduino. We used it when I took a subject called as IoT, which is Internet of Things. The Deakin University had so much to offer. What attracted me the most was the curriculum, because for me, having the flexibility, having the point where I could decide what I want, and the curriculum which has the combination of both IT and management, because I had my background in IT and I wanted to learn more into management, but also teach me how the IT and management works. All the lecturers, they bring amazing energy into the class, and the combination of people I've met here where they come from industry and people who try to make those industry connections are the most beautiful lecturers. Like, it's amazing. I never understood how proud I was until on my graduation day, they pronounce your name, Saloni Mehta. And I just walked and I saw my family watching me and my new family that I've made here in Australia. Sometimes it's just your heart smiles. It's just that moment for me.